Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you too. You keep the channel going. Today, we're out in the garden on a nice, comfortable fall day here in northern Florida, Zone 9. We are going to amend one of our beds for planting tomorrow on a live view, and I thought I would show you. So this raised bed had two Clemson spineless okra plants in it, or trees, because they literally were trees, and also two purple cabbages. So I'm going to dig up the cabbages and set them to the side for now, and then after that we're going to remove the drip system, and then we're going to add more soil, compost, fertilizer, perlite, and mix everything together and then replant the cabbages. I have a little Japanese gardening tool that I'm going to go around the cabbage and trying to be careful not to hit any of the roots. Go down and just pull it up like such. And we're going to sit that in this bed here. And we're going to go over to the other side where we have another cabbage and do the same thing. And here we go. And we'll take the label with it. And we'll lay this one here as well. Okay, next, we're going to take out the drip system. And we're just going to put this to the side for now. And I'm going to leave my hoops in. They're not necessarily in the way. And here comes the fun part. We're going to add some bags of soil in and spread it out, and then go ahead and mix everything, the amendments and compost and other things together, and then replant. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, we have the soil in, we have perlite, we have bone meal, blood meal, and we have some homemade compost as well as some commercial compost that I bought. And now we get to use our muscles to mix everything together. The soil now has a dark brown, healthy looking texture to it. It also, again, has the perlite and some homemade compost with my Vigo indoor composter, some commercial compost, and some blood and bone meal. And it is ready to have the drip system put back on. So all we're going to do is pull it back up from where we placed it before. Put it in place here. So if you remember, it was kind of leaning down into the bed before, and now it is sitting flush with the bed and the soil, and that's because it needed more soil in the bed. So we're going to take our pins and tack the drip lines down. Put one here and another one there. And just like that, the bed has been amended and filled. Now we're going to go ahead and put our two plants that we had in back into the bed. And if you remember, these are our two purple our purple cabbage. So we're going to go down to the size of the root ball, place it into the soil, backfill, and there we go. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. And we'll put our label in, put that up here. And just like that, we're done. So we have our watering can, and we're going to give both of these a nice drink. Now, when we do the live and we're filling this bed with seedlings, these are seedlings that I started myself, and they're inside the house right now. And they're cabbages, mustards, collards, and broccoli. Right now, I think I have more than enough broccoli out in the beds, so it will probably be cabbages that I'll be putting in here. So we'll have a bed full of cabbages. I'll sleep on it and decide for sure, but more than likely, that's probably what we're going to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. The thing about raised beds, at least what I've noticed so far, is that depending upon how you fill them, they do compact or contract, whichever one you want to use, over time. With me, I filled these beds with a lot of leaf matter and twigs and wood. And what I think is happening a lot sooner than what I expected, the stuff is breaking down, and that's dropping the soil level in the beds. Now, that's not really a bad thing. It's just every so often I'm going to have to come out and put more soil into my raised beds. But as long as I know that that's what the problem is, I can just catch soil on sale, amend it to my liking, and then go ahead and fill the bed. So If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Take care, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.